The State Health Department has suspended organ transplant license of Ruby Hall Clinic for 6 months. Now, what are the allegations and why such a step is being taken? To talk on this topic with us, we have Dr. Parvez Grant, Chief Medical Director of Ruby Hall Clinic. Sir, serious allegations that a kidney transplant racket is being run, and somewhere Ruby Hall also has some role to play in it. What would you like to say?
I would like to make it very, very clear that somebody has played mischief in this whole game. Let me first tell you how a transplantation is basically carried out. What happens is the person who requires the donor and the recipient both come, they meet at the hospital. The hospital has got a committee that checks their documents. So basically they ask for the original PAN card, the Aadhaar card, the marriage certificate if it is there, and various other certificates. So all these certificates are then collected. We try to check as best as we can, and once we have all these certificates, we send it for police verification. So it goes for police verification. The police check the certificates very carefully to see if there is any problem or any fraud or anything. Then they give us a certificate that everything is fine, everything is its original. Once we get the police verification, we then send the entire file to the regional authority committee, which in Pune meets at Sassoon Hospital. They have got 7-8 members. So the entire documents goes to them. The regional authorization committee then videos everything. They check the documents and then they send it back to the place where the transplantation takes place. In this case, it was Ruby Hall Clinic, where they send the documents back. So the police have given us a very clean picture that all the documents were in order. I've got a signed authority to that effect. I've got a signed authority from the regional authorization committee that all the documents were correct and were perfect. After we got both these documents, we then went ahead and did the transplantation. The Ruby Hall has done nothing wrong in that. We have checked everything. It's gone through our committee, police committee, and authorization committee. So all three committees have said, yes, go ahead. All three committees checked all the documents, and then transplantation took place. Once the transplantation took place, the lady that was there complained that she had not been paid by the other side. And once we came to know about it...
Which is the other side? Means who is the other side? Means the lady complained. What was the need for the lady to get money?
Well, we don't know what transpired between the husband and the alleged husband and wife, but I am told that 15 lakhs were to be received by the person. 15 lakhs was not paid to her and she got upset. I suppose the pimp that is involved must have taken the 15 lakhs or whatever. Somebody has taken the 15 lakhs. And she was not paid anything. And because she was not paid, she complained to Ruby Hall staff that, look, they have not paid me and they have committed a forgery. The moment we heard about it, Ruby Hall filed a complaint in the Koregaon Park police station saying that a forgery has been committed by this couple or whichever one, that some of the documents are not correct, which we came to know. And immediately we informed the police. The police came and verified it as well, and they took down the complaint, and now they are basically investigating the case. In the meantime, the DMER has suspended our license. I don't know whether it is fair or not fair, but honestly, I think what has happened is not correct. We have done nothing wrong. Ruby Hall has been doing transplantation for the last nearly 30 years. We've never had a problem as such. We have been checking our documents very correctly. If somebody has committed forgery, it's very difficult to find out that forgery has been committed because we are not experts in forgery.
And any possibility that some of your members from your committee, they are in hand in gloves with the pimp or the person who, in a way, orchestrated all of these operations? He got the patient, he got the donor, and then he forged the documents, what is coming to light?
No, that is impossible. because we have a committee of lawyers. We have in our committee, we have a committee that has been doing this thing for very long time. They are very honest people that Ruby Hall has got, and there is no reason why Ruby Hall should be blamed for this.
Are you okay if all of the papers, if police verification is going on, all of the telephone records, all of the WhatsApp exchanges, all of the correspondence of your committee members as well as police, those who are responsible to verify those documents, as well as the government committee, all members of these committees and police, their call records should be checked so that whoever is at fault can be brought to light?
I am very happy if they do that, because I am 100% sure that in this particular case, Ruby Hall is absolutely innocent. I don't want to at the moment bring anything against the committee because the matter is still being investigated. An FIR has also been filed by Ruby Hall against these two people who have committed forgery.
After the license was suspended, then you filed the FIR?
We filed the FRI, I think yesterday afternoon. So I'm sure the police are also investigating. I'm sure the police will find these two people, and I'm sure justice will be done very soon and very fast. I hope justice is being done, because honestly, Ruby Hall is absolutely not guilty at all. I can assure you of that.
But when the lady made hue and cry that she did not get the money what was promised to her by the patient,
Correct.
at that time Ruby Hall should have gone to the police.
We went to the police immediately. In the next 20 minutes, we were in the police station saying that a fraud has been committed. Please investigate and get to the bottom of it. We did that immediately. We even given that in writing. So what more do you want? I'm sure the police are investigating this matter, and I'm sure justice will be definitely, the criminals will be brought to justice.
So you have heard Chief Medical Director of Ruby Hall Clinic is claiming that it's Ruby Hall that played the role of whistleblower in this particular case, and it was Ruby Hall that first went to the police that some kind of forgery might have happened, and that is the reason the lady, the donor, is complaining that she hasn't been paid the amount that was promised to her. So they are now claiming that their license that is being suspended should be reinstated at early as possible. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.